As the world moves further and faster into a thriving technological age that we constantly apply in our business methods, POS systems are fast becoming the technological choice. Looking for a partner to help you secure your business? Here are the reasons why you should choose BitPOS Systems. We offer an all-in-one package that is composed of software integration and hardware peripherals, such as monitor touchscreen, that displays the product database and enables the cashier to view sales reports. Cash drawer, that secures a place to store cash transactions. Dot matrix, that prints a quick snapshot of purchased items and returns. Magnetic swiper, that issued for authorized voiding and also allows customers to use their credit cards and debit cards. Customer Vfd Display lets the customer view their orders or items they purchased. And as for the software, our skilled programmers designed it to modify your preferences in monitoring all the transactions made in a day and also help guide your employees based on forecasted activity. You can track your employees' hours and see who had better performance. Talking about cashiering made easier. The cashier can punch the order easily using the touchscreen monitor. The system automatically calculates the items and how much will be the change of the customer given with a certain amount of money. There is what we call a quick picks. In this section the items that the store is selling are displayed in small boxes with their pictures so it is easier for the cashier to pick the desired items of the customer. Not just that. We offer free training upon delivery. Each and every individual in your company will be handled by our skilled IT personnel. They will help you control inventory records that are always up to date, organize your item categories, encode your products, and because of that, you can easily analyze sales data, create purchase orders automatically, track your lost sales and maintain a sales history to help you adjust your buying decisions and improve pricing accuracy. Most importantly, BitPOS provides you security. We create a safe environment for customer transactions in any types of business such as retail stores, restaurants, fast food chains, gasoline stations, grocery stores, laundry shops, and even when you're still starting one. We got your back. BitPOS, the partner you need. Call us now at 091775666060 or visit us on LAZADA at bit.ly/livehelp for us. Be part of the fast-growing market. Choose BitPOS Systems.